The Ford F-150 Raptor R has long been the undisputed king of factory off-road trucks. But right now, there are strong signals coming from deep inside the industry that Ford is preparing something far bigger for 2027. Engineers, suppliers, and powertrain analysts are all quietly pointing in the same direction. The 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor R could debut a next-generation Predator V8. And if that happens, it would completely rewrite and reshape the rulebook for high-performance trucks all over again. This is not about a minor bump in output or a cosmetic refresh. What insiders are describing is a deep and deliberate evolution, one that blends brutal power with modern durability, smarter electronics, and engineering built to survive tightening regulations, without sacrificing the Raptor R's raw identity on the trail or out on the open desert. To understand why this matters so much, you have to appreciate what the current Predator V8 already is. This engine is legendary. Originally developed for the Mustang Shelby GT500, the supercharged 5.2-liter V8 was carefully adapted for the Raptor R with off-road specific tuning, reinforced internals, and recalibrated cooling systems built for serious punishment. Its thunderous sound and instant torque response helped Ford answer the Ram TRX challenge in absolutely spectacular fashion. But here is the thing. Insiders say Ford never intended the current Predator to be the final word on what this platform could do. According to powertrain experts with direct visibility into Ford's long-term roadmap, the Predator architecture was always designed with significant headroom. That means it could evolve into something more efficient, more durable, and potentially more powerful without tearing everything down and starting from scratch. That is exactly where the 2027 Raptor R story truly begins. Now, when industry engineers talk about a next-generation engine, they are not automatically talking about an entirely new block. More often, it means significant internal revisions, upgraded materials, and smarter integration with the systems around it. The upgrades insiders are currently discussing include stronger forged internals built to handle sustained off-road abuse, improved supercharger efficiency to reduce heat soak during high-load desert running, a revised cooling architecture with advanced oil and intercooler flow, and updated ECU logic that optimizes torque delivery across sand, rocks, and high-speed open terrain. One former OEM powertrain consultant summed it up clearly. Ford builds engines for decades, not years. If they are updating the Predator for 2027, it means they found ways to make it tougher, cleaner, and more adaptable without stripping away any of its character. And while every truck fan immediately jumps to horsepower numbers, experts will tell you that torque management and long-term reliability matter far more in a machine like the Raptor R. The current engine already produces staggering output. The next-generation Predator could push that further, but the real gains would come from earlier torque delivery for better low-speed rock crawling, more consistent power output under extreme heat, and smoother throttle modulation in tight technical terrain. Off-road racing engineers make this point directly. In desert conditions, engines do not fail from peak horsepower. They fail from heat, oil breakdown, and accumulated stress over very long runs. A revised Predator V8 could address all of those weak points while still delivering the kind of performance numbers that grab headlines. The 2027 timeline is not random either. It lines up with several significant shifts happening across the entire automotive industry at once. Tighter emissions and noise standards are on the way. There is growing pressure from regulators and investors to electrify even performance trucks, and competition from high-output rivals continues to intensify. Ford insiders suggest the company is targeting one final, uncompromised V8 statement, a Raptor R that proves beyond any doubt that internal combustion still belongs at the very top of extreme off-road performance. A next-generation Predator would give Ford the platform to say they met modern standards and still built something genuinely wild. There are also very clear lessons Ford has taken from the Ram TRX rivalry. The TRX made massive waves when it launched, but over time, its weight, fuel consumption, and thermal management limitations became real talking points among serious off-road users. Ford engineers reportedly analyzed those weaknesses closely. The result of that research could be a lighter, more thermally efficient version of the Predator that places balance at the center of the design rather than relying entirely on brute force alone. Analysts believe Ford wants the 2027 Raptor R to dominate not just drag strip runs, but long-distance desert endurance, Baja-style terrain punishment, and everyday driving comfort. Material science is another area insiders are tracking closely. Modern engine development increasingly depends on advanced alloys, surface coatings, and precision machining techniques that were simply not practical even 5 years ago. Potential enhancements being discussed include low-friction piston coatings to improve long-term durability, stronger aluminum alloys used throughout the block and cylinder heads, and revised bearing materials designed to hold up under extended high RPM use. One engine development specialist put it plainly: you do not need more displacement to achieve better performance. Superior materials alone can deliver reliability gains that the driver feels directly as increased power, confidence, and overall control. But one point every expert agrees on is that Ford will not silence the Predator. The Raptor R's exhaust note is absolutely core to its identity, and insiders are firm that any next-generation version will keep that aggressive sound intact, even while meeting updated compliance requirements. Acoustic engineers now have tools to shape sound profiles through exhaust valve tuning and precise cam timing, rather than simply cranking up volume. That means the 2027 Raptor R could actually sound more intentional and more muscular than what exists today, not quieter or more restrained in any way. Beyond the engine itself, insiders suggest the next-generation Predator would operate inside a smarter overall. Ford may pair it with drive modes that adapt engine response dynamically based on terrain, improved transmission calibration for faster and stronger gear changes, and enhanced software that manages cooling more precisely under sustained load. This would make the powertrain feel more intelligent and directly connected to what the driver does, rather than simply throwing raw force at every situation, regardless of conditions on the ground. Some analysts have raised the possibility of light electrification, specifically a 48-volt support system that could assist accessories, cooling fans, and torque smoothing without converting the Raptor R into a full hybrid. This approach would allow Ford to pursue efficiency and refinement improvements, while keeping the V8 at the absolute center of the experience. According to insiders, anything that softens or dulls the Predator's personality is simply not on the table. If the signals prove accurate, the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor R will not be just another mid-cycle refresh. It could genuinely stand as the high watermark for factory V8 off-road trucks in America. Experts believe Ford fully understands that the window for this type of vehicle is not open forever, and that awareness may be exactly what drives the next-generation Predator to become something truly unforgettable. As one industry analyst put it, automakers know when they are building something that history will remember. If Ford is upgrading the Predator for 2027, it is because they want the Raptor R to be remembered as a legend, not a footnote. Until official confirmation arrives, these remain strong signals from informed sources inside the industry. But when whispers get this consistent and this detailed, there is almost always fire behind the smoke. And if the next-generation Predator V8 does arrive in 2027, this Raptor R may go down as one of the most important and celebrated performance trucks Ford has ever built and proudly brought to the American market.